In this video, we're going to talk about if we can connect the Meta Quest 3 to a PS5. So first of all, and clearly, you cannot connect a Meta Quest 3 directly to a PS5 for VR gaming, if you want to do it for VR gaming specifically. The PS5 only supports PlayStation VR 2, which is for native VR games, and the Meta Quest 3 is not compatible as a PS5 VR headset. However, if your goal is to play a regular PS5 games on a giant virtual screen, there are two workarounds. So the first option is to use the Meta Quest HDMI link. So you will basically need the Meta Quest 3, a compatible USB to HDMI capture card, and an HDMI cable, and of course the free Meta Quest HDMI link app. You'll have to connect everything, so the PS5 should be connected to HDMI cable, and the cable should be connected to the capture card. And the capture card will be connected to your Quest 3 using a USB. And then you will see basically your PS5 on a large virtual screen inside the headset. This will let you play regular PS5 games, but not PS5 VR games. Meta's HDMI link app requires a compatible UVC/UAC capture card. And the second option is to use PS Remote Play. You can also install PS Remote Play on your PC, connect your PS5 as an example to the PS Remote Play, and view your PC screen inside the Quest 3 using a virtual desktop app. This also displays your PS5 on a virtual screen instead of providing a native VR. And that's basically how you can connect a Meta Quest 3 to a PS5. While you can't use this as a native PS5 VR headset, you can still enjoy regular PS5 games on a large virtual screen using the Meta Quest HDMI link app with a capture card or a PS Remote Play. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.